Nihongo quiz. Are you ready to test your katakana skills in this quiz? We'll show you 10 Japanese words written in katakana, and you have to choose the corresponding meaning. Each question has 4 choices, and you'll have 5 seconds to pick the right answer. Keep track of your score and challenge yourself to get all 10 correct. Ready? Let's begin! What does this word mean? Time's up! The correct answer is wine. Did you get that right? What does this word mean? Time's up! The correct answer is gasoline, which means fuel for vehicles. What does this word mean? Time's up! The correct answer is apron or apuro. What does this word mean? Time's up! The correct answer is a rubaito, which is borrowed word from German, which means part-time job. What does this word mean? Time's up! The correct answer is toilet. Toire means toilet. Halfway there. What is this next word? Time's up! The correct answer is shirt. Shutsu means shirt. What does this word mean? Time's up! The correct answer is mask. Masku is commonly used in Japan for face masks. What does this word mean? Time's up! The correct answer is radio or radio. What does this word mean? Time's up! The correct answer is credit card. Kuregit cardo is the katakana version of credit card. Last one. Hope you get this right. Time's up! The correct answer is escalator. Esukarata is the katakana word for escalator. That's the end of our katakana quiz. How many did you get right? Let us know your score in the comments. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next challenge. Are you ready for more challenges? Click here to take our next quiz.